if you want to hire someone for your team, like if you want to hire the smartest people or the rock stars for your organization, I'm just going to tell you a quick tip. Akshay Rajshekharan here, coming from this beautiful lake at Goa. One of the most important factors is like understanding the people's brain. Like psychology is one of the most difficult things. Okay, like if you're able to read the human's brain, like half of the puzzle will be solved. And that's why I highly recommend you guys, like if you're starting out, if you want to hire someone, it is like very difficult for you to know exactly what that person wants, what are their goals, what are their dreams, how long they're going to stay, because like we can't know what they are thinking in the future, right? The easiest way is tell them to write everyone. That's what I'll be doing in my organization. Like tell them to write like Maya's brick test and like hexaco test, and like there are multiple tests. Okay, like they have to write the test and see that report, like how does this person work, how does his brain works, like what is his cognitive biases, like how does he do the things, right? Like does he have like long term, short term, what kind, how does he work, right? And if he's already working in some organization, like if he wants to work with you, just go and ask to the previous organization just one question. Like 50% of your answer you'll get. Ask him one thing, like the previous organization which the person was working, what will be the one thing, like imagine like you are trying to hire the person like who was working with you again back, like will you hire them or not? If they're hiring back, ask them the reason. If not, why? You will get into the meat and you'll get the right answer, right? Understanding that and understanding the psychology, understanding the people is like the most important thing. Okay, always make sure that like you get people, really smart people, pay them enough, like pay them well. Okay, that's how like you can get like great people and care them much and help them much, and that's how like they'll be staying with you, like they're like exploring new things. Take care of them, and these are the things, like make sure that even you can ask for recommendation. And that's what, like right now, if anyone wants to work with me, right, I even ask like recommendation, like from the friends, family members, or like anyone, like why do you think should we hire you, right? And screen the social media profiles. Like interviews, people tell like interviews, I know like so many of my friends who have cracked great interviews without having like such good marks, whereas some people who had like so much good marks, they were not able to crack the interviews because just they were lacking some communication skills, or like they were not able to understand the question what was being put up on the interview, right? You always have to make sure that you read the people. You just can't come to know, like you can't judge the person just by having like 20-30 minutes interview. Check their social media handles, what they were doing from last 1 year, 2 years, Facebook, Instagram, whatever platform they are, right? And that's how like you'll get into meet, right? Ask them multiple questions, multiple rounds, multiple people should ask them, and that's how like if everything is tick, then get them, because one wrong person can really harm your entire organization. Make sure that like you have the right team in place with right systems and right contracts. In fact, that was my biggest problem in my life, because I was not having contracts previously when who was working with me, right? Like I couldn't stop them when they were leaving me, and I don't want anyone of you guys to do such mistakes. Always make sure that you follow these things, and that's all for now. Have a great day, everyone. Bye bye.